Hi everyone, welcome back to another Bochiknot macrame knot series. We will be going over the crown knot today. This is probably one of my favorite knots to use when making a plant hanger, just because when the knot is repeated, you can make a nice chain-like pattern, as you can see from the picture here. You will need 2 longer strands of cord to make this knot. I recommend using 100 centimeter long cords to practice this knot. And with that, let's begin. Place 1 strand of cord down horizontally and 1 strand of cord vertically on top, forming a cross. This knot can be used in many other macrame projects too, such as keychains, belts, tassels, and add-ons onto macrame projects like wall hangings as chains. Take the upper cord end and fold it down to the right. Then taking the right cord end, fold it over to the left. Then taking the bottom left vertical cord, place it over to the left facing upwards. And then take the upper cord on the left and weave it through the top loop on the right. Pull on all 4 cord ends to tighten the knot. If you're interested in learning other macrame knots out there, you can check out my 50 knots in sentence tutorial, or you can check out my Bochiknot macrame knot series playlist. I'll post a link to those in the video description below. To make a crown knot chain, you'll have to repeat several crown knots on top of each other. We will repeat here 1 more knot on top of the knot that we had just made by repeating the same steps that we had just made. Continue repeating several of these crown knots on top of one another until you start to see a chain-like pattern form on the side. This is what the knot looks like after 5 crown knots are made. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions or any knots you would like to see in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.